What you shooting, Hallee?
A Nomad Defense frame with a Grey Ghost Precision slide and barrel.
What optic are you using?
Leopoldo DeltaPoint Pro, red dot sight. Yeah.
And then you're shooting 100-yard steel.
Yeah, that's fun.
All right, let's do it. Do it again. Show folks what a girl shoots like. Ting! Good job. You gonna hit that narrow one? Ooh, that was a miss.
You suck.
Who does? You're the one that missed. There we go.
You're the one that commentated.
Now do the square one up in the tree.
Is that steel or paper?
Steel. Listen for the ting, you'll know.
I'm out.
You're out?
I'm out, bro.
Oh. Sad. Don't you have extra ammo in your pocket?
Yeah.
Drop that KCI magazine on the ground.
On the ground? That's rude.
It's okay. They last.
It wasn't.
That's what you do. You drop it. Get up in your workspace. Good job.
Which
All
one?
right.
Square?
Keep pressing the trigger till you got a compressed surprise break. 100-yard steel. That's about 8 inches wide and about 6 inches tall. And that was a hit. Very nice. Very nice.
White, black.
So the really far out white one, 125 yards on a 8-inch plate. It's a tough shot. Can you do it?
Wait, I don't even know what you're
Way
talking
up
about.
there between the two trees that are like a V.
Oh, balls.
Let's do it. Let's do it. I think you can do it. It's a tough shot. Hold true and no deviation on your trigger press. Keep pressing. Oh! Oh! Like a boss.